10 productivity hacks and time management tips. Hey there, productivity warriors. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're sharing 10 powerful productivity hacks and time management tips to help you achieve your goals. Let's dive in. And please subscribe to this channel. Hack 1. Prioritize your tasks. Imagine you're a chef, and you have to prepare a 3-course meal. You wouldn't start cooking all 3 dishes at once, right? You'd prioritize the most important one first. Same thing with your task. Focus on the most critical ones first and then move on to the less important ones. Hack 2. Use the Pomodoro technique. This technique is simple. Work for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break. Repeat. It's like a productivity dance. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish in those focused 25 minutes. Hack 3. Avoid multitasking. Multitasking is like trying to pat your head and rub your tummy at the same time. It's just not effective. Focus on one task at a time and give it your undivided attention. Hack 4. Use a task list. Writing down your tasks helps you stay organized and focused. Plus, it's so satisfying to cross off each task as you complete it. Hack 5. Eliminate distractions. Imagine you're trying to work in a busy coffee shop. It's hard to focus, right? Eliminate distractions by finding a quiet workspace or using noise-canceling headphones. Hack 6. Take breaks. Taking breaks is essential for productivity. It helps you recharge and come back to your task with renewed energy and focus. Hack 7. Use technology to your advantage. There are so many amazing productivity tools out there. Find one that works for you and use it to stay organized and on track. Hack 8. Learn to say no. Don't take on too much at once. Learn to say no to tasks that don't align with your goals or values. Remember, saying no to something that doesn't serve you means saying yes to yourself. Hack 9. Use the 2-minute rule. If a task can be done in less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. It's a simple way to stay productive and avoid procrastination. Hack 10. Review and adjust. Take time to review your progress and adjust your schedule as needed. It's essential for staying on track and achieving your goals. Thanks for watching, Productivity Warriors. Remember, productivity is a journey, not a destination. Experiment with these hacks and find what works best for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more productivity tips and tricks.